Hey, good morning, YouTubers. I'm here. Special place right now. I'm going to turn around and show it to you. I'm on a bus tour. It's going to take me to a special thing to do today at the Grand Canyon. She stopped to go so we could take this view. Stay tuned. This is a view of the part of the Grand Canyon. I don't know if you can see the river. Colorado River is way down over there. I'm going to try and spin around for you. Let you see. The bushes are. There's the chemtrails. Which the tour guide said are a regular thing. Stay tuned for more.